I make over thousands of dollars with YouTube, and here's the best part. I don't even show my face on camera. If you've been dreaming about building a channel that earns money every single day, this is your sign. YouTube is still the #1 platform where ordinary people turn simple ideas into real income. The secret? Pick the right niche. Today, I'm going to share 10 viral YouTube niches that almost anyone can start, even with zero experience, and I'll explain exactly why they work. 1. AI storytelling shorts. People love short stories. Add AI to the mix, and you've got gold. Using tools like ChatGPT to write scripts and AI art generators for visuals, you can pump out fantasy, horror, or even funny 60-second stories. Think about it. Millions of people scroll looking for entertainment, and these videos are binge-worthy. Best of all, no camera needed, just AI-generated clips and your narration. 2. Motivational and self-improvement videos. Motivational content never dies. Combine AI voiceovers, stock footage, and background music to deliver powerful quotes and life lessons. These videos rack up insane watch time because viewers play them in the background while working out, studying, or just needing inspiration. Simple production, massive impact. 3. AI music and lo-fi channels. AI-generated music is exploding. You can create relaxing beats, focused music, or even unique soundscapes, then pair them with AI-generated visuals like looping animations or futuristic cityscapes. Audiences love 24/7 live streams or long playlists, and channels in this niche can pull passive income while you sleep. 4. Product reviews and AI-generated explainers. Reviews are one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. People always research before buying. With AI, you don't even need to buy the products. You can use images, AI-generated demo animations, and voiceovers to explain features. Add affiliate links in your description, and you've just created a double income stream. Ad revenue plus commissions. 5. Educational tutorials. How-to searches dominate YouTube. Using AI, you can generate animated explainers that teach complex topics in simple ways. Everything from science to history to finance tips. Think about it. A faceless voiceover plus easy visuals equals high retention, and parents, students, and lifelong learners eat this up. 6th, AI gaming and fantasy content. Gaming is massive, but you don't need to be a pro. Imagine generating AI versions of characters, what-if scenarios, or even cinematic trailers for upcoming games. Viewers love speculative, creative content, and it's easier than ever to produce using AI image and video tools. 7. Travel and future cities with AI. Not everyone can hop on a plane, but AI can show us the world. Imagine videos like what New York will look like in 2100, or AI recreates Paris in cyberpunk style. These kinds of visuals go viral fast because people are fascinated by futuristic and reimagined cities. 8. Reactions and commentary, AI-assisted. Reaction content is easy to make, and AI helps you scale. You can react to trending videos, memes, or news using voiceovers, subtitles, and clever edits. With AI-generated avatars, you can even create a virtual host to do the reacting for you. Quick to produce, fun to watch, and viral by nature. 9. Podcasts and AI-generated discussions. Podcasts are exploding. You don't need celebrity guests, just interesting topics. You can even create AI versions of famous voices debating trending issues. Imagine Elon Musk versus Einstein talking about the future of space. It's funny, it's creative, and it racks up insane watch time. 10. AI lifestyle and challenges. Challenge videos always go viral. Add AI, and you've got something unique. Try concepts like, I let AI plan my meals for a week, or AI controls my day. These formats are entertaining, relatable, and highly shareable. Plus, they mix real-life footage with AI creativity, which audiences love. So here's the truth. I make thousands of dollars every single month because I chose the right niche and stayed consistent. You don't need fancy gear, a big budget, or even to show your face. What you need is focus, creativity, and action. Pick one of these 10 niches, commit to uploading consistently, and you'll be shocked at how quickly YouTube can change your life. Remember, the hardest part is starting. Once you publish your first few videos, you'll realize just how possible this really is. The next year of your life could look completely different if you take action now. Your YouTube journey starts today, so stop waiting and start creating and subscribe for more videos.